Hi, Ed. Deborah Monroe here from Sedona, Arizona. Just responding to your email check-in. 2 weeks into the program, and I have watched 9.0 Section 1 halfway through Section 2, and then you so graciously gifted us 10.0, so I'm halfway through that. Got approval on my HVG today, which I appreciate that, and ready to set up my funnel tomorrow. So I really hope to be launched and up and running next week and work closely with your team to just run hard and fast to get this up and running and going. I can honestly say it's the best investment I've ever made. I absolutely love this program and your approach. I think the psychology is the key to all of it. It's just a mental game, as we all know. And then lastly, I think your question was what hold up or what issues. None, right? It's really just about, has nothing to do with the program other than being managing time and going back and rewatching the modules until we get it. So anyway, I am grateful for you. Thank you for the check-in. Tried to send this video yesterday and I can't seem to make it short enough. So hopefully this one works. We can get on with it. Thank you so much.